If I give you $1 million today, chances are you will lose it within a few years. But if I give you the right habits, even $1 can make you wealthy. Most Americans don't fail because they earn less. They fail because no one taught them money habits. This video is not about get rich quick, crypto hype, lottery mindset. This video is about 5 boring habits that quietly make people rich at any age. Why age doesn't matter. 25-year-old earning $40K can beat 45-year-old earning $120K. Why? Habits, income, behavior, salary. Money doesn't grow with motivation. Money grows with systems. Pay yourself first. Common American mistake. Save whatever is left at the end of the month. Usually $0. Wealthy habit. Save first, spend later. How it works. Income comes in. Immediately moved 10-20% to savings, investing. Live on the rest. Real example. Income for $0,000 month. Save first $600. Spend $3,400. Not saving leftovers. Saving priority money. Tools Americans use. Automatic bank transfers. 401k auto deduction. High yield savings account. Truth line. You don't save what you want. You save what you automate. Live below your means, not below your life. Lifestyle inflation. Raise comes bigger car. Bonus comes expensive phone. Promotion, higher rent. Wealth habit. Keep lifestyle stable, income growing. Rule. If income increases by 20%, lifestyle increases by 5-8% only. American reality example. $100K salary. Still living paycheck to paycheck. Why? Rent, car loan, subscriptions, credit cards. Rich versus broke thinking. Broke, I deserve this. Rich, can this make me richer? Avoid bad debt like a disease. Bad debt. Credit card debt. Buy now, pay later. High interest car loans. Good debt. Education with Roy. Business. Reasonable mortgage. Shocking USA fact explained slowly. Average American pays thousands yearly only in interest. Debt snowball, simple explain. List debt smallest to largest. Kill smallest first. Roll payment into next. Truth line. Interest works against the poor and for the wealthy. Invest early even with small amounts. Biggest line. I'll invest when I earn more. Wealth habit. Invest consistently, not perfectly. Example, powerful. Person A invests $200/month from age 25. Person B invests $500/month from age 40. Person A wins due to time. Simple USA investment options. 401k, especially employer match. Roth IRA. Index funds, S&P 500 type. Truth line. Time in the market beats timing the market. Increase income, not just cut expenses. Middle class strap. Only budgeting, no income growth. Wealth habit. Always build new income streams. Options in USA. Skill upgrade. Side hustle. Freelancing. Small online business. Rule. Save from salary. Build wealth from extra income. Truth line. You can't budget your way to wealth, you must earn more. Money is not about luck. Not about age. Not about talent. Money is about fulfilling small habits, repeated daily, for years. If you master these 5 habits, wealth becomes inevitable. Question for viewers. Which habit will you start today? Like, subscribe, share with someone who needs this.